All right, we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to have our new unit, which is going to be functions, and we're going to start functions by talking about what relations are, okay? And basically what you need to understand about a relation is just any set of ordered pairs. Any set of ordered pairs, okay? So exactly what is an ordered pair? An ordered pair is where you are given two coordinates, an x coordinate and a y coordinate, and you have to find that location, typically on a table or on a graph, okay? So ordered pairs. So we're going to start with our first relation here. We're going to have -2, 3, which is just an ordered pair. We're going to have 1, 2. We're going to have 0, -1. And then we're going to have 3 and 1. Something that you need to understand about ordered pairs. The x-coordinate, so your domain is the x-coordinate value. So when I look at this one, here is your domain. Your range is going to be your y-coordinate, okay? So this is your y-coordinate value. So x is your domain, y is your range, all right? So I'm going to take that relation or that ordered pair, and I'm going to place it on a table. So the x value is going to go underneath here, the x value, -2. What y value corresponds with -2? That would be 3, so I'm going to put a 3 in the table. I'm going to do the same thing for 1, 2. 1 is my x, 2 is my y. 0 is my x, -1 is my y. 3 is my domain, and 1 is my range, or x is my 3, and y is my 1, okay? Now after we have it on a table, and I have the ordered pair, I can go ahead and graph it if I so choose. So I'm going to go ahead and graph -2, 3, so I go to where x value is -2, I'm going to go up to where y is 3, and I'm going to put a point right there. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for this one. I'm going to go where x is 1, then I'm going to go where y is 2. So I'm going to go up to 2. I'm going to put another point. Next, I'm going to go where x is 0, which is right here at the origin. And I'm going to go down to -1 on the y. So this would be a y-intercept. 3, 1, so I'm going to go where x is 3. And then I'm going to go up to 1. Okay? I'm not going to draw a line in for this one because all we were doing is graphing the ordered pairs. I will tell you we're going to get into linear versus nonlinear, and this would be an example if we connected the dots of being a nonlinear example or not a function, okay? But we'll get to that later on in the unit. So again, a relation is any ordered pairs, domain is just your x-coordinate value, range is your y-coordinate value, all right? So let's go ahead and look at an example or another example, okay? We're going to use the following relations. We're going to have 2, 6, -4, -8, -3, 6, 0, -4. So if I think about this, I'm going to think about this one as my domain numbers. My domain numbers are 2, -4, -3, and 0. My range numbers are 6, -8, 6, and -4. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take these coordinates of the domain and range, and I'm going to place them on a table. So 2 is my x value, 6 is my y value. -4 is my x value, -8 is my y value. -3 is my x value, 6 is my y value. 0 is my x value, -4 is my y value. All right. Next, I'm going to go ahead and graph them and put them on the coordinate plane. I have 2, 6. So I'm going to go where x is 2. Well, I see that these are graphed by 4. So really, each line is represented and going by 2s. So I'm going to go where x is 2. And then I'm going to go up to where y is 6. And because these are also going by 2s, I'm going to put it in by 2s. I'm going to go up to 6. I'm going to put a point right there. I'm going to go where x is -4. And I'm going to go down to where y is -8 and put a point. I'm going to go where x is -3. I know that -3 is between -4 and -2, so I'm going to go right here. Now I have to go all the way up to 6. So -3 is right here between those two vertical blue lines. All right. Then the last one, 0, -4, so I'm going to go to 0, go down to -4, which is going to be a y-intercept point. And now I've graphed my points, all right? So just to review what we talked about. We talked about that a relation is any ordered pairs. So like we did up here in this example. So these ordered pairs are relations, okay? The domain is the x-coordinate. The range is your y-coordinate. So here is your domain. Here is your range, okay? Good luck.